Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today what we are going to do, we are going to install the Oracle VirtualBox in the CentOS 7. So in order to demonstrate this lab, so I have already installed the CentOS 7 in my VirtualBox, which is already installed on my base computer. On this VM, we guys are going to learn that how we can install the new setup of the Oracle VirtualBox. The steps that we are going to perform on this virtual machine is the same steps which you can perform on your base computer if you have CentOS as the base operating system. So let's log into this computer first. Guys, make sure that your computer should be connected to the internet. So in the Linux, we have a default browser, which is Firefox. So you can go to an application and you can click on this Firefox browser. Okay. Else, I have also opened this Firefox browser on my computer VM machine. So you can see this. Let me close it once for you and let me start the new Firefox. Okay, so this is a Firefox setup that we have been started, and the first thing is that we need to do, we need to download the RPM, or we can say the setup of the Oracle VirtualBox, and we guys have been downloading it from the official website. So go to the google.com, type VirtualBox. Yeah, so the first link that you will be seeing over here, so this will be pointing you to the official website of the Oracle VirtualBox, and over here you will get the option of downloads. So click on downloads over here, scroll the page, and you will be finding out the list of the platforms on which we can install the VirtualBox. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you can choose any of the operating systems platform. But since currently going to install it on the CentOS 7, so I'm going to select the Linux distribution. And on this page, what we need to do, we have to select the version of the operating system that we are using. So currently I'm using the CentOS 7. So let me click over here, and if you can see, it will be downloading an RPM package. Okay, so let us download it and save this package. So I click on download, and just wait for few couple of, I can say, seconds or the minute, so that this package get downloaded. So this will take time depending upon your internet speed. So just wait for few couple of seconds, and once it get downloaded, then we will proceed ahead. So as you can see on the screen, approx 50% of the RPM has been downloaded, and just wait for few more minutes so that the complete 100% this RPM package get downloaded. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, so this RPM package is downloaded successfully. So once it gets downloaded, you can also verify this packet. So when you download anything by default, it goes to your download directory. So to verify, you can either go with the graphical way, that is, you can click on this home directory, and over here you can see the downloads, and in downloads you will find the package that you have recently downloaded. Or else what you can do, you can take the help of the terminal also. So you can open, for to open the terminal you can press the shortcut like Control Alt plus F2, and you can type gnome terminal. Okay, and let's change the directory to the downloads, and then you can go with ls command. So see, the package that we have been downloaded is already listed over here. Okay, so now the next step is to install this package. So in order to install this package, we need the admin privileges, because by default this where user is a local user. So either I can use the sudo, okay, if that user is having the sudo rights, or I can switch to the root user. So currently I'm going to switch to the root user. So you can use the command su, put the password, and now you can see I am logging from the root user in the terminal. So again ls, so this is the package name, and to install this package we will use the command yum install, give the name of the package, and then click on enter. So to install, click on Y and click on enter. Okay, so if you can see, it's installing now. So it will take you couple of seconds or a minute. So let's wait till the setup get installed. So over here you can see the progress that this setup is getting installed. Okay, so see, you can see this setup has been installed successfully, and you will see over here as a complete. Okay, so if it will have any dependencies of any of the error, it will be showing you on the terminal screen. But since in this scenario there is a no error or a dependency, so it's showing us complete. Okay, so now if you can see, let us close to the terminal, and let me go to the application. And in the system tools, you will find this Oracle VirtualBox. You can click over here and see this is the home page of the Oracle VirtualBox. And over here, you can create the multiple kind of VM machines for your demonstrations, testing purposes, or the sandbox purposes. Okay. So in this video, we have covered that how we can install the Oracle VirtualBox in the CentOS 7. So if you find this information useful, please like this video and subscribe my channel